When I was a small boy, I'd go out into the backyard with my mom, and while she was hanging up clothes, I'd look up in the sky and it'd say, "Airplane, airplane, airplane." And the one I remember was a flying boxcar because of its unique twin boom design. The C-119 Flying Boxcar was developed from the Fairchild C-82 Packet, which was designed as a transport plane. Transport planes move cargo, whether men or material. The Flying Boxcar had a huge clamshell doors at the rear of the fuselage to easily facilitate loading or unloading of cargo. It was also a good platform from which paratroopers could jump. Occasionally, the rear doors were removed so that cargo could be easily dropped by parachute. The C-119 was designed and built by Fairchild. The plane, first introduced in 1947, ceased production in 1955. The Fairchild manufactured C-119s were powered by the two huge Pratt and Whitney 4360 engines. With these, the plane had a cruising speed of 200 miles per hour while carrying 27,500 pounds of cargo. These huge 28-cylinder engines produce 3,500 horsepower each. The C-119s manufactured by Kaiser had the smaller Wright R-3350-85 engines and were designated for the Marine and Navy use. The Navy Department designated the C-119 as R-4Q. During the Vietnam War, some C-19s were converted to flying gun platforms as the AC-119K Stinger. In later years, these airplanes were frequently outfitted with auxiliary jet engines to carry additional weight. This was called the jetpack modification. The civilian versions mounted a turbojet on a pylon atop the fuselage. Many C-119s saw service as tanker planes with the U.S. Forest Service. The Flying Boxcar last flew for the U.S. military in 1974. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. For more videos like this one, click here. If you want to see what's next, click here. How about a thumbs up if you like this video?